Hello, so I wanted to share my recipe for longer eyelashes and thicker eyebrows. So as we age, our eyelashes and our eyebrows are not as lush and beautiful as they used to be. So we have to do more to keep them thick and growing and healthy. So what I do, what I love to mix together is of course castor oil, and I'm sure you've seen lots of videos on castor oil and how good it is for your hair and eyebrows and eyelashes. So I use my castor oil, but what I found out, and this is by accident, is that argan oil is especially good for eyelashes and eyebrows as well, and keeping them long and healthy. So what I do is I mix them together. So I just put a little bit in the palm of my hand, a little bit of castor oil, and a little bit of argan oil in my hand, just enough to go around my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So this castor oil that I bought, it comes with these little tools. It comes with like a wand, like a mascara wand. It comes with, hold on, I'm gonna open it. It comes with these little tools here. So this is a really cute one that you can, it's like a liner. So you can line just above your eyelash line or under it. And you don't want to put too much because you don't want this in your eyes, but also this is great for your eyebrows. You can dip this in the mixture and then brush your eyebrows with it. Or if you don't have these tools, you can just use an old mascara wand and wash it off and boil it good until it's clean, and then set it aside for your oils. So this organic castor oil from Viva Naturals also came with this little container that you can fill with your mixture and use on your eyelashes. I don't use any of these things because I have my own tool that I'm using, and sometimes I'll just massage it in with my fingers, but these are very handy. So like I said, I just squirt a little bit of the castor oil and then a little bit of the argan oil. I would say the same amount. I massage it into my eyebrows, and then I massage it around my eyelashes. So argan oil is loaded with vitamin E, which is great for your skin, hair, and nails. It is filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which is also very good for your hair, skin, and nails. And what I've noticed and why I started to do this is because I love argan oil. I've always used argan oil for my skin. I've kept it away from my eyes because I don't like to put oils around or get oil in my eye. But I started to use it on my eyelashes because I noticed that my nails were growing so fast when I use argan oil on my face. And I don't like to have long nails, so it's like kind of a hassle. I have to keep cutting them. But when I run out of argan oil and I'll use something else on my face, I don't have that problem. Only when I'm using argan oil, my nails grow so fast. So, and they're so strong and really nice. So I thought to myself, this should be very good for your for my eyebrows and eyelashes as well. And I was right. I started using it on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows, and it worked really beautifully. And then I just thought about mixing it with the castor oil, and it's probably 10 times better that way. So as you know, in the Middle East or Morocco, they use argan oil in their hair and on their skin. So why not on your eyelashes and your eyebrows? And it definitely works. I noticed that my eyebrows were becoming sparse. I had to color them in more with my eyebrow pencil or my shadow. And I just don't like that. I don't like to have to do that. And I'm so pleased with the results. So yeah, it's very cheap. I got this bottle, I think it was like $9.99 on Amazon. You can see it's very large, or you can use any castor oil that you like, but definitely you can get it from TJ Maxx, Ross, things like that, or your health food store. And then the argan oil, I love Josie Moran, but you can find cheaper versions on Amazon as well. Just make sure they're good quality. Argan oil I've been using since back in 2011 or 12 on my skin, and I love it so much. It's my #1 go-to for skincare and hair care. So these are my favorite things to use. So give this a try. Like I said, just mix a little bit. I do it a new batch every night. I don't ever leave like in here because I feel like this is your eye area and you need to keep it as clean as possible. You don't want to get any kind of infections, conjunctivitis, or anything like that. So I'll just, every night, I'll put a new, just right in the palm of my hand, just a little bit, a few drops of the castor oil and a few drops of the argan oil, and that's really all that I need. And then I'll massage it into my eyebrows and my eyelashes. Now, the bonus of doing this every night is that it keeps your eyes young because, of course, these two oils have anti-aging properties. They will keep your skin lush and moisturized. You will notice a lot less crow's feet, a lot less wrinkles around your eyes if you have any, or just doing this will prevent them from occurring. So you can also use olive oil. I've used olive oil, but my favorite definitely is argan oil, 100% pure argan oil, and castor oil. And you can get this argan oil on QVC or at Sephora. It's Josie Moran, and I'm telling you that it's definitely worth it, especially if you're just going to use it for that little amount around your eye. It lasts long. They have smaller bottles than this. Sometimes you'll get a nice discount on QVC around like the holidays, or sometimes they'll just have a special in Josie Moran products. And you can get this high quality argan oil and just give it a try. Give these two, mix them together, put it on your eye area, on your eyelashes, on your eyebrows, even in your hair if you like, if you have the time to wash it out the next day, or just leave it in as a conditioning product. And you will see the condition of your eyebrows, your eyelashes, your nails, and your skin and your hair improve so quickly because of these two powerhouse ingredients. They're both loaded with antioxidants, they're loaded with vitamin E, they have moisturizing benefits, and they're both loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. All are very good for your hair, skin, and nails. So please give this a try and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching.